Hey guys, what's up? So today I've got the OnePlus Nord 2 for unboxing. Now you might be wondering why I'm having this smartphone for unboxing so late when the others have already reviewed the smartphone. But the real reason is I actually wanted to add in a fresh perspective for you guys. So, even after other people have reviewed it, I just want to come out with a fresh unboxing. I have not seen the device personally, I have not seen its reviews, and I have not seen it in hand in the market. So don't worry, my perspective will be fresh and it will be unique for you guys. It should add some value to your insights about the smartphone. So if you're purchasing it, please watch the video till the end. And my name is Tanay Singh Thakur. You're watching Telecom Talk. Let's go ahead with the video. So guys, here's the OnePlus Nord 2. This is the exact retail box that you'll receive as well when you purchase it from the market or the official website of the company. So let's just go ahead and open the box. We'll just remove this plastic covering from the top. And let's open the box. So right up we have the device here. We'll just keep it aside for now. We'll come to this at last. And there will be usual stuff from OnePlus. There will be a standard cover, I believe. Yes, this is standard cover, and this should hold some manuals and all the SIM ejector tool and everything. Let's just keep this aside as well. And here's a 65-watt charger and the USB-C cable from OnePlus, which are standard as well. So let's just go and see what the device looks like. Here's the OnePlus Nord 2. Okay, so we have got the new color variant. This just launched, and is the green variant. This wasn't in the market until now, so again, if you're seeing this unboxing, now you're seeing something new. So we'll just remove it and let's just look at the design. Okay, first up, what I would like to say is this feels very premium. It's very textury and it looks very good. We'll just remove this plastic cover as well. And the camera bump looks really solid. It looks very premium, and you've got the alert slider here, and it's very smooth and very satisfying actually. Here's the power button. Here are the volume rockers. There is no Google Assistant button. Here's the SIM tray. Here's the Type-C cable and the speakers. But what's really outstanding about this device is its camera bump. It looks really premium, and the texture. Oh my god. I mean, if there's someone out in the market who wants to purchase this smartphone, it should be this variant, I believe. Personally, I would go for this one. I'm not advocating you should as well, but this is just a subjective opinion. Now here we have the display. Let's just boot the device and see what the display actually looks like. So I'll tell you more about the camera and everything once the device is booted up. So guys, here is the 6.4-inch OnePlus Nord display. It's a AMOLED display, so color should come very good. It looks really great up front, and it's running on Android 11. It's Oxygen OS 11.3, I believe, out of the box. And since this is a 12 GB RAM variant, I believe gaming should be very smooth with this. It runs on MediaTek Dimensity 1200 SoC, so it should. I actually don't know how the experience will be with a MediaTek chipset. I've only used the Qualcomm ones so far. Hey guys, so I'm so sorry to interrupt in the middle of the video. First of all, I would like to thank you, because if you have seen until now, it means you're really supporting us. The reason that I am interrupting in between is for some technical reason I lost the footage ahead of this, so I really cannot help it. I do not have anything to deliver here right now, but I promise you, if you wanted to see how the device worked, how it looked like even further, I will be coming out with a review very soon, and I'll be sharing everything that the device can do it and what it cannot do. So just stay tuned with us. Please do follow us, please support us, please share our videos, so we can be motivated to bring even more cooler stuff. Again, I'm just so sorry that I could not deliver, but your support means a lot to me. And I hope you have a great day. Just thank you for your time. Bye bye.